last and when severe weather season will come back. That's coming up.
All right, Brett, thank you. And you've seen the signs, keep Kansas City alive. You've heard the phrase, taxation without representation. After months of debate, Kansas City, Missouri voters head to the polls today to weigh in on the earnings tax. Sloan Heller is live at a polling place at 52nd and Oak with more. Sloan.
Good morning, Curtis. You know, we've talked to quite a few people over the last hour, and everyone that we've talked to at this polling location here is for the e-tax, which kind of makes sense because we've kind of seen a real north and south divide. A lot of people in the north, voters saying they want it repealed, saying they're not really reaping the benefits from the e-tax, and then a lot of people in the south, part of Kansas City here, wanting to keep it in place. Now, again, the e-tax generating some $200 million a year. That's about 40% of the city's general fund. And again, critics skeptical about how the money is actually being used. A lot of them are saying dozens of other cities around the metro run perfectly fine without this e-tax. But then supporters just not convinced, saying that police and fire departments will see serious cuts as well as layoffs if this e-tax is repealed. Now, we asked voters about the whole taxation without representation issue. Again, what they think about paying a tax that you cannot vote for. Take a listen.
Hey, we pay lots of taxes. We pay city taxes, county taxes, school taxes, federal taxes. We don't have a whole lot to say about how it gets spent. You just have to hope that you put the right people in office and they do the right things.
I think that's more frustrating than anything, just because I don't get a say, but you get to say you get my money.
Now, again, we've pretty much seen a good steady flow out here. No lines or anything like that, but it's lunchtime, so it will pick up. This is definitely one of the busier polling spots in Kansas City. By the way, if the e-tax fails today, what we'll see is it will be phased out over the next 10 years. If it passes, they're going to have a vote every 5 years to keep it in place. We're live in Kansas City. Sloan Heller, NBC Action News.